So here's how you can add a short video to the YouTube using your iPhone. So let me show you how it is going to work. If you are new here, first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming videos and similar guides like this one. So what you need to do at first is to make sure you have the YouTube app downloaded on your device that you are signed in, and of course the app should be running ideally the latest version. So if there's an update, just make sure you install it. But you can then get inside of the YouTube app, and on the main page and at the bottom you have the plus icon, which lets you upload different things to the platform. So for me, it opens up this view right away, and at the bottom I get to select what exactly I'm gonna post or add to YouTube. So by default it tells me, or it selects the video, which is the regular full-size YouTube content. But there is also the ability to switch to the shorts, right? And that is the thing that we are interested in. Outside of that, you might also see the live as well as the regular post. But if you go to the short, you can see we have the camera activated right away. We can record stuff. But in order to select something from the gallery, just tap on the option in the bottom right corner, bottom left actually, and you can just upload a finished short video which you perhaps edited beforehand in a video editor or something. And then you proceed with the regular steps to make it public, right? Like you click on the next, you can perhaps trim the video if you don't want to, like make it upload it into the full size. Then you can click on it done. And yeah, this basically will take a while for it to like process. And then when you go to the you can see some editing options as well, but you can click on next and the next, and then you will officially just upload it to the platform. So I really hope that I was able to help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think below, and I hope to see you later in future videos as well.